Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will learn demonstrative adjectives and pronouns, and I want to give you some informations about them, and then we will do some examples. Let's get started. Bu, this, bunlar, these, o, şu, that, onlar, şunlar, those. And now I want to give you some informations about the demonstrative adjectives. The demonstrative pronoun bu, I mean this, and its case forms are used to show the closest object. The demonstrative pronoun şu, I mean this or that, and its case forms are used to show the object which is little further away. The pronoun o is used for both personal, he, she, it, and demonstrative pronoun. The demonstrative pronoun o, I mean that, has the same meaning as şu. Let's make some examples. Bu bir kırmızı kalem. Bu bir kırmızı kalem. This is a red pencil. Bunlar taze elmalar. Bunlar taze elmalar. These are fresh apples. O market açık. O market açık. That market is open. Onlar öğrenciler. Onlar öğrenciler. Those are students. Şu resim güzel. Şu resim güzel. That picture is great. Şunlar işçiler. Şunlar işçiler. Those are workers. Bu pahalı. Bu pahalı. This is expensive. Bunlar ucuz. Bunlar ucuz. These are cheap. Şuna bak. Şuna bak. Look at that. Onlar rahat koltuklar. Onlar rahat koltuklar. Those are comfortable sofas. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon. Hoşça kalın.